Nakapor ka judan ka jengekran halor ka jingdon kamban tes ya ki marbam na kidukan de marbam de jingbam kidukan ja bat ki restaurant kumta terter na ka benta ka kot ka khia nrei khlam dadon ya ki tiar ki babiang kam dei ka basuk kham tam ban yo jingtip ha kapor ka babiang nrei lingba ka jingpet banya jong Sorkar India ya kini ki jingdon kam ka jela Meghalaya ha ka arpsan tarik rempang arja arpsau ka yo pediang ya artli ki kali mobile food testing laboratory ki bodei ki latre kam jong ka Food Safety Standard Authority of India FSSAI bantas yakimar bam ki bertip kum ka Food Safety on Wheel FSW. Yakini ki artli ki kali la Paidbah do Menteri Rang Ba do Narendra Modi da ka penan kami gila digital ban play na Rajkot Gujarat barpo ka jala la sakhi ha ka State Central Library Shillong ya ka bala sakhi lang da ka Menteri Sorkar Meghalaya ka badai khmi ya ka tarat ka kot ka khia ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo u Commissioner Food Safety Meghalaya Dr. Joram Beda bat ka Deputy Commissioner jong East Khasi Hills District ka kong RM Kurba bat kiwe kat kum ka jing tmu jong Sorkar India kane ka de ka sen jam ban penti kanai ka jing Shngaiñ ki marbam habbarok ki jaka ha ka ba ki ni ki FSW ki bala pen biang lot ki jing ai ji sakri bat ki badon ki nong trai ki batbet ha ka kam kin tiu ya ki lat ban let tas bat kin ai jing kai ru shapang ya ki rukom ki ba tiu ya ka jing Shngaiñ ha ki marbam sho kin pen sapryang jing tep sa ki Paidbah da ka ba poi sa ki jaka ba kendong tam jong ka jella Kajing wanra ikini ki artli ki FSW Meghalaya ka wanru haringkat ka project ka bakot sa ka North Point Khandai San Kulur tingka.
Food Safety on Wheels will be able to check adulteration in the interest of the public and food safety. We are also now going to be able to initiate training where we will be able to train different individuals on various procedures and inculcating best practices to ensure food safety and hygiene are followed diligently by those who are in the food business. We must also ensure that we train all those involved in the sale of food products, usually in the unorganized sector. We must ensure that vending, catering, retail and distribution, storage and transport, manufacturing, bakery, packaging of water, fish and seafood, meat and poultry, milk and milk products and others go along as per standard procedures. This program also has a third interest, and that is to create awareness on food safety and ensuring that food safety at home, in school, in workplace, in restaurants is safe in general for the people of the state of Meghalaya. Food Safety on Wheels has specific targets. We will ensure that these food safety on wheel vehicles reach the furthest and most remote corner of the state of Meghalaya to inculcate good food eating habits, safe food eating habits in the state of Meghalaya.